hope I'm not in anyone's way. I take 2 water bottles. Ooh, Easter egg back there. Perfect. 2 water bottles. Just see some in the corner. Let me get that way a little more this way. Here. Is I take, and this doesn't have to be Costco. It can be any brand you want to use. I just want to let you know. Here, elbows in. First one I want to do, we talked about a second ago, right? If I have my neck's forward, where's my shoulders? Are they back or are they forward? Forward too. Sorry about that. Let's make everything come back more. Unwind the shoulder, get things to open up instead of being forward. All right, so first one, 3 shoulder exercise, now 1 of 3. Elbows together. You now is come out, wherever you're comfortable, then come back in. So again, you want to pause. For me, because I do them every day, here, all the way out, hold for a second, come back in. All right. Number 2 of 3, we get that shoulder here. When we're here, our anterior delt pec minor shorten. We want to lengthen them over time, open them up. So number 2, you now is take those water bottles, elbows about 90 degrees to your shoulders, parallel with the shoulders, 90 degrees to your body. And same thing with your hands to your elbows. Now come straight back, hold for a second, then come down just parallel to the ground. Just right there. Up, hold for a second, then come back down. All right. That's number 2, to open up that shoulder this way, not just this way. All right. Last one. Here, instead of being flat on the wall, you want to give yourself a little more room to work with. Feet off the wall, just a little bit, leaning forward. And now drop the weight, drop your water bottles or weights straight down. Then from there, bend your elbows just a little bit. Little chicken wing. Little chicken wing right there, okay? Then from there, bring your hands straight up. Hold for a second. Then come straight down. The reason we want this one, I want to make sure if my shoulders are here, is my upper back strong or weak? Weak. My upper back's in this. Ugh, I'm so weak. I want to get my upper back stronger, so as I come up, I'm going to pinch the back of my neck here with this one. With this one here, the second number 2, I'm going to pinch more down here to get that to tighten up. See all my muscles flex? Just say yes. I worked out today. Just say yes. Oh man, woo! It's like a bodybuilding show over here. Number 3, I'm going to do now, not first one actually, I'm going to bring my hands out, but also make my whole back pinch together, just like that. See that bulge out? I need bigger shirts. I'm going to rip my shirt in a second. Is that okay? Yeah. Hold that, elbows in, come all the way out. All right? Who wants to try this? Put up. Of course, yeah, of course. Might as well. Might as well. What's your name?
Marcy.
Marcy, Tony.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Sorry, the water balls are cold.
That's
So grab a seat on the wall. Right there. Feet against the wall. Way back.
Way
Perfect.
back.
Yep, perfect. Yeah, of course. Woo, look, so much fun. So much
I
fun.
feel like I'm going to fall that way.
Perfect. This is a better balance position. So if you go, we'll talk about the last exercise we're going to talk about too for long term to help your body fix posture. So where you are now, elbows tucked in. Marcy right there. Elbows come straight out where you're comfortable. Perfect. Where do you feel that stretch?
Yep.
Perfect, right in front.
Yeah, right there.
Up here in the or the pec minor, anterior delt, right there on both sides.
And right here.
Perfect. So the bicep too is tight.
Yeah.
Good.
Tight.
Biceps tight. Hold that for a second. Marcy, come back in. Does that feel okay?
Mm-hmm.
Let's do one more time. Elbows in. Perfect. Good. Perfect. Good. Come back in.
It's tight.
Now elbows, shoulder height. Boom, right there. Perfect. Hands 90 degrees out here. Other side too. Make sure they match. Now here we're going to do now is come up, straight up. Boom. Hold that for a second. Then come straight down. And try to keep your elbows and the shoulders level. It's harder. Sorry. Come on up. One more time. Bring them down. Come one more time. This time make sure we smile this time, okay?
I'm still not wanting to fall forward.
That's okay. It takes time. Takes time.
Sure it does.
Good. All right. The last one Mark's going to have you do now is bring your feet forward for me. More. Hips against the wall. Good. We're gonna lean down. Drop the water bottles, head up the whole time. Chicken wing a little bit. We're gonna come straight up. Here. Perfect. Good. Yep. And then head up.
Oh, that's right.
Yes. And down. All the way down. Let them relax. Come up again and pinch those blades together. Pinch that neck.
Ooh, yeah.
There we go. There's the ooh.
I feel it.
Come on down. We have to work the muscle. Come up again. Don't forget to smile. Perfect. See? You feel better when you smile. We all do. Come up one more time. Perfect. Good. Does that feel okay?
Yeah, that's
Woo!
tight. Yeah. Ooh,
Just
right.
water bottles too.
Yeah,
So,
these are heavier than you think.
you think? Right? Actually, look. You're not done. You're stuck here now for the rest of the workshop.
Okay.
Kidding. So now